Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Want to create a cool Will Smith inspired profile pic in Canva? I'll show you how. Click Create, then choose Custom Size. Enter 1000 by 1000 pixels as your dimensions. Finally, click the Create New Design button to start your project. Select the Elements tab and choose a shape or graphic you like. Next, click the Uploads tab or search for an image to use. Drag the image onto your canvas. With the image selected, click the Crop button, then adjust the crop area as needed and apply the crop. Click Done to save your changes. Next, select the image you want to resize. Once selected, drag the corners outward to enlarge the image to your desired size. Make sure the proportions look correct before proceeding to the next step. This completes the image enlargement. Remove the background with the BG Remover tool, then set the background color to yellow. Click Edit to access the glow effects. In the glow settings, set the color to white. Next, adjust the blur value to 0. These changes will apply a white glow outline without any blur, giving the element a crisp highlighted appearance. Increase the intensity setting to 100 by typing 100 into the box or dragging the slider all the way to the maximum value. Go to the Edit menu again. Click on See All under the Filters section to view the complete list of available filters. Scroll through the options until you find the mono filter. Select the mono filter to apply to your project. This filter is suitable for our needs in this step. Once you've chosen the mono filter, make sure it is successfully applied. You can now move on to the next step in your editing workflow, as the mono effect has been added. Click the Share button, then select Download. To improve quality, increase the size option before saving your file locally. Click the Download button to save files. You've learned how to make a Will Smith profile pic with Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.